mature roles. It started with Lobo before, and then nagkaroon ng On the Job, which is very daring. And then, after nun, syempre may mga nag-love scene na rin sa TV, di ba? And at the same time, you know, at the end of the day, trabaho lang naman kasi talaga. And I am very fortunate to work with mga leading men na gentleman, maalaga, hindi ka naman babasusin. Like,
Wala namang kinalaman sa mga...
Magkahiwalay si Shaina na artista, tsaka yung Shaina na sa totoong buhay na lang. You know?
Pero red na red yung suot mo, ibig sabihin.
Yes.
Wala bang single-single? Ang heart mo ba ay fiery red din ngayon?
Oo, by choice, single pa rin siya. Oo.
Mag-out on dates.
Gaya nga ng sabi ko, pwede naman. You can always make time for it. But then, I think now isn't the perfect time for a relationship.
So you don't go?
Hindi naman. Masarap umibig. Din naman si Mateo, happy, di ba? Pero it doesn't mean na dahil hindi ka umiibig, hindi ka na happy.
Walang inggit kay Mateo. Pag nakita mo siya, nasa dating, I'm sure may ka-text, may katawagan.
You know why? Because I really believe na time will come na I'll meet the right one for me.
Soon.